All right, which statement about the number 284,375 and 61/100ths is true? The first thing I'm going to do always is place this on my place value chart. So let's put this number on the place value chart. So I like to start with my decimal number first, putting that to the right of the decimal as it is here, and then counting 6 digits back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to write the other number. Other portion of the number, I should say. And once I've got this number written on my place value chart, I can go through the different parts of it and see which is true and which is false. Answer A, the digit 8 has a value of 8 times 100. So I'm noticing that this 8, if I were to bring it down, it does not have a value of 100. So I would cross that out. The next part says the digit 7 has a value of 7 tenths. So I'm going to bring that digit down, and it does not have a value in the tenths place. So that is also incorrect. The next is this digit 6 has a value of 6 tenths, or 6 in the tenths place. So I'm going to take my 6 down, and I'm noticing that that is in this place value 6 times 1/10. So that could be the right answer, but I always check all my answers first. The digit 3 has a value of 3 times 1/10. So I'm going to erasing this number, bring this number down, and I'm noticing that it is it is not in the hundredths place, which is where the 1 is. So that answer choice is not correct. So in going back, the answer choice that is correct is C.